Welcome to Gallagher's Grub. So today I'm going to take a road trip from here in Connecticut across the Long Island Sound in a ferry over to Long Island to spend the weekend with my son who lives out there. I'm going to take along the Weber Go Anywhere and I'll show you what we grill up all weekend long. Stick around. What I love about the Weber Go Anywhere is the rectangular shape along with the compact size really make it easy to stow in your vehicle to take on the road. So whether you're going to the beach, to a tailgate, camping, the Weber Go Anywhere is just a perfect little grill to take on the road. So you can see here, we are on the Long Island Crosstown Ferry heading from New London, Connecticut to Orient Point, Long Island. Alright, so we made it to Long Island and I'm going to show you the cooking situation that we have here. We've got our Go Anywhere here and you can see I've put an 8" by 8" aluminum pan in there. So the coals are going to go on this side. I'm going to put some wings on this side for the first cook, and I'm going to open up this vent here and I'm going to leave it closed on this side. So the air is going to go through here and on the back as well, over the coals, over the meat, and then I'm going to open up this top vent up here over the meat. Oh, and they also have this big Weber Genesis 2 if I want to use that this weekend. But I think I'm going to stick to the Go Anywhere. So I've got a bowl of wings here and I'm going to add to it this Funky Soul Cajun rub. So add some, mix it around, add some more. These wings are ready for the grill. So one thing that's super cool about these Weber Genesis 2s, these side burners are perfect for lighting your chimney of charcoal. Okay, these are lit so quickly on the side burner, it's amazing. I'm just gonna pour these. All right, and like I said, this is up right here, this vent, so the air goes in. It's gonna go over the coals, over the meat, and then out through this vent, which is now open. Okay, these grates have heated up a little bit. Just gonna give this side a quick scrape here. I'm gonna add the wings. I'm just gonna add some more of this rub here to these wings. They've been on for about 20 minutes now. I'm gonna close it up. Just keep on grilling. All right, so we're gonna take a look at these wings. They're looking pretty good. We're gonna rotate some of these front ones to the back. Now that their sort of bellies are exposed, I'm gonna just hit these one last time with some of that dust. All right, we're gonna close the lid one last time. Checking on the wings. Go ahead and put these right over the hot coals for a minute. Give that a second. After like a minute or so, we're gonna give these a flip. Let's start back here actually. Close this up again. One last time, I'm gonna rotate these guys, turn them over. Close the lid and keep on grilling. And finally, I'm gonna grab the wings off the grill, get them inside. And here is our final dish, Cajun rubbed wings, made on the Weber Go Anywhere. Okay, now we're gonna try one of these wings. That rub is great. It's definitely got a little heat to it. The chicken is like perfect on the inside. The skin is crispy on the outside. What do you think, J-Man?
Amazing.
I like that Cajun rub.
Yeah, the rub's great.
Not bad for a little tiny portable grill, right?
Not bad. Keep on grilling.
Those are great wings made on the Weber Go Anywhere.